Good morning, dear children. From today we will start revision for our second term exam that will be held in first week of March. So first is some basic concepts of chemistry. I am starting from lesson 1 revision. First term is atomic mass. As you see, children, what is atomic mass beta? One atomic mass unit is defined as a mass exactly equal to 1/12 of mass of one atom of C12. What is C12 बेटा? कार्बन 12, C12 क्या है? एक आइसोटोप है कार्बन का, राइट? एंड it is denoted by mass of oxygen is near about 15.995 AMU, that is 16, therefore we take it at 16. Then what is average atomic mass? सपोज करो कि किसी भी एलिमेंट का एक से ज़्यादा आइसोटोप है, लाइक एलिमेंट इज आइसोटोप्स मीन्स 12 कार्बन, then suppose karo 13 carbon. As you see, atomic mass is different, atomic number would be same, okay? So atomic number will be 6 only, but atomic mass is different, then 14 carbon. So number of neutrons are changed, so relative abundance is found. So what the relative abundance is, this is you will write as isotope, then here we will write relative abundance, and then here we will write atomic mass in AMU, okay? So what we will do here, this is 12 carbon is atomic abundance, सबसे ज़्यादा इसका होता है 98.892, then ये percentage है बेटा, हाँ percent, then 13 carbon 1.108, very less amount, then this is least amount 2 into 10 raised to power minus 10. You see, this percent is available for carbon 12, carbon 13. What is carbon 12 and carbon 13? They are known as isotopes. Why isotopes? Because their atomic number is same but atomic mass is different. You see, atomic mass is different, atomic mass is different. So this is 98.892, majority of the amount. This is very less and this is the least, 2 into 10 raised to power minus 10. Then atomic mass of carbon 12 is 12. It is 13.00335 and it is 14.00317. This is the atomic mass. So to calculate from this, average atomic mass will be calculated as average atomic mass is equal to, this has to be multiplied into 12 units. So it will be percent है ना बेटा, तो divided by 100, so any 0.98892 multiplied by 12 plus, again this will be divided by 100, so 0.01, 8 into 13.00335 plus 2 into 10 raised to power minus 10, yani when you will divide it by 10 raised to power 2, so 2 will go up minus 12, so 2 into 10 raised to power minus 12 into 14.00317. All these are atomic mass, so U and U, then you will add them and total you will get 12.011 U. So in this way average atomic mass is calculated, correct? Now we will go for revision of molecular mass. Molecular mass is sum of atomic masses of the elements present in a molecule. Okay, like if I have to calculate the molecular mass of CH4, then I will write is equal to C means its atomic mass is 12.011 into 1. Why 1 beta? Because one atom of Ca is there. Plus H means 1.008 into 4. Because 4 atoms of hydrogen are there. This is U and U. This is U and U. So when you will add these two, you will become 16.043 U. For convenience, we always also can take this as 12 and this as 1. Okay, 1 U. So in this way, molecular mass is calculated. Some more examples I can show you. First is examples. Molecular mass of H2SO4. So first is we must know what is the atomic mass of these elements. So H2 yani 1 into 2 average value we have taken, plus sulfur is 32. So 32 into 1 plus oxygen is 15.99, so it is 16 into 4. So when you will add these three, 2 plus 32 plus 16 4 just 64 is equal to 98. Okay, so this in this way molecular mass is found. Second example we can take, then find the molecular mass of HNO3. Okay, so 1 of hydrogen into 1 because one atom is there, plus 14 atomic mass of nitrogen into 1 plus 16 is the atomic mass of oxygen into 3. So it will become 1 plus 14 plus 48 is equal to 63 U. So in this way you understand how to find the molecular mass. One example is given in our book, that is find the molecular mass of C6H12O6, that is glucose. Okay, or fructose. Fructose is also having the same formula. So molecular mass. Then I will write here C6 means 12 into 6. Atomic mass we have to know, plus 1 into 12 plus 15.99 means 16. So 16 into 6. This is 12 6 is 72 plus 12 plus 16 6 is 96. So is equal to 180 U. So tomorrow we will go for mole concept. Okay, revise all these things properly for our second term exam. Thank you.